Mama Nora, this message na personal video for you. I just do one for you. Mama Nora, if person tell me say na so you take day, I'll say na lie, say not be so. I go argue around. Mama Nora, you put enogie for pockets, take plant corn. From the beginning, you love enogie, you not like am. And that love don't fade. You not get likeness, take back am up. Yes. Because if you really like enogie, all these things where you do, you for not doing. My dear sister, not beside the side your husband, though. No. The reason why I want to talk to you now, because of waiting they come out for your mouth. That is real woman will be say want become a housewife. No get this kind of character where you get so. A housewife, real wife, we ready if they back in husband. It can never come out for public to come they sing many sing. Even though say you wanna get anything, say something they you understand. You get people where you go still talk with. You get family. You get friend. You go talk with them. Say, see what your brother they do. It no good. Those people you go they take their advice. The reason why I do this video as well, Mama Nora, you know they respect your family one. You know they respect enogie family. You don't have respect for anybody. You don't get character. Character by the my darling sister. The reason is, it gets some cases where you go do. If you think about your mama, your papa, or your family, or people around you, you say, no, this thing I don't need to do one. You and your guy just get wahala. You just go talk. You go the on talk. You go the talk for that side. You know why you run? When I go wah. You don't get single shame. Even though say Papa Nora do wetin make you the and a normal thing. At least you go calm down. You go calm down. You feel call people say, una brother don't see start oh. I don't like what they do, they go call am. Now so everybody take the manage you. Nobody you better pass. Me, I not go feel content you say my own better pass. No, it dey many of us body. But the difference is that don't just come out to public. You can't talk with you not supposed to talk. You know those things. Wait, I don't understand. You say you don't love enogie. Why you marry her? They force you. May you marry her. Mama Nora. You don't want to use enogie to gather yourself. You want to use enogie to gather yourself. Now that one me you know. Now that pikin as you talking with your mouth say now that pikin now you need for enogie. No be say you really need enogie. Really now that pikin now you need for enogie. Enogie don't give you pikin now. Why you not gonna support him if he get paper? Why it be say for him to get paper now? So ogbalegbe you dey call for him. Why you be like that? And you know say when you continue to dey call ogbalegbe for enogie, things go get as it be for enogie because of waiting don fair past. Mama Nora, why you dey like this? Why you get this kind mind? Why you get this kind character? You be like pikin wey be say they don't really train her for house. No verse. If you can saga me, no worry, I don't care. Yes. If they really train you for house, my darling sister, no matter how you go verse, which not be everybody, everything you go they talk. Now say you want lick my bekos. Now say you want lick this one. Now say you go carry this one. Now say you go do this one. Now say this one a man when you wanna don't sleep for one bed for how many years? Mama Nora! Aye! I know understand, Sha. This relationship reached today before it can't they get as it be so. Now enogie na you carry and reach like this. Now enogie like you and he love you. You only love enogie. You not like her. There is these two things. Now they carry marriage the waka. Because get where you go reach, that love go down. Now that likeness, then you go come to hold your marriage. You not even look the children where you get say, oh, what this pikin? No, I beg. And me because of the no. What soon? Huh? Wetin dey happen? Like say you wan come tell us now say na you like those pikin pass Enogie. You go like them. Why you no like them? Because they get wetin they give you. Really, you really dey gain from inside. They give you money, they give you paper, they give you house, they give you food. Why you no go love them? You go love them now. You understand? So that is why you dey see say papa wey you really get pikin, they talk say he no like a pikin. I say they shout and I say if you dey get some children dey before you go even shout, you no go know when that shout go take come out for your mouth because of wetin they do. Nah man, it no be like us wey still dey feel dey swallow spit. Word you finish for your mouth. Word you finish for your mouth. So you know one may no get up for where sit down. That is the truth. You know one make it get up. You don't want make it just day. Make you just sit down on top. Now that one you'll be your own. Finish. Now that one character. I don't believe say you get. You don't have to know how to talk. Not be say you know that is if you don't maybe you don't verse word where they come out for your mouth every day. You're my darling sister. As I like you, Rich, if they tell me say now you talk all these things put for her, I'll say now lie. Now you come the rain. Now you come the zuzu. Agboyagi bawa. Amag bawa ye no ma. They can't know you put for and so I go take bosses. And so I go take head of fish. And so I go carry a bag of rice. Ow! Mama Nora. As you I no get rain rich for social media. Now so now to end down. Now so now to end down Mama Nora. And so nothing ain't done. So you all believe say, if you go, make it go, not concern you. If you go, make it go, not concern you. Tomorrow you go no say yes. Now something, now come up for where you did. You might not know the value. Don't worry. If a no get work on himself, you go figure that thing where they look for. If a no get no focus on himself, you know go figure that. Yes. Enogie need to work on himself to get that thing when he need. My darling sister, if Enogie still get paper for where you did, now waiting no good. Enogie go still get that love go multiply. You have never want they call Enogie say Enogie, this your paper. I want to do and where we need to go. What we need to. If Enogie no get up, you never reach as a woman. Say, oh yeah, get up, get up, get up. This place may we go. You'll begin to ask questions. You'll begin, you know. That is how a real woman take the back man up. Your own not there like that. Now let you sit down, eat, bath, picking, do this one. Maybe you get appointment, you go now let walk where you know. Finish. The next one you will now go talk one at the talk. Now go there. Finish where the work where they do. Nothing. School, even for the journey, they say you don't go. Nothing. And I know they make you get that paper where you get today. You need to honor that man. You need to respect him. Because the way you take do Mama Nora, I too go love you before, but waiting can they come out for your mouth. Now you don't get voice again for social media, not be like because things the way they want to saga you, a saga more. Now you use your mouth talk and not be saying a person talking for your body. Now I know they make you dey popular. Mama Nora. Go and settle with your husband. Even though say they do, calm down. Woman we ready to marry, they calm down. You all know they do back. No get a man. Mama Nora, you use a Enogie. You can't do as corn. You know where you can't use a plant corn. That corn, Enogie say you if the corn don't grow, you don't inside. Enogie no say now lay your own now you plant. Say you not planting your own journal. Mama Nora, change your way. Change your way. If you not change them, as you just there is so. No worry. You go see no way today. No worry. I think say you want join their no worry now. Road open. Come join. Wait till they see. You go still see some of them for inside. No worry, not be person go tell you. You go use your eyes see.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all my amazing people. My people, make una no fail to drop una opinion of what una think about this very video because this woman they always they come at Lady J TV, they always dey come out dey give am woto woto to Enogie wife, which is say, my people, I no fit talk too much. Make una settle down lis ten to this very video. God bless you, stay blessed, and please don't forget to like and share this very video. God bless you.